should cry together. It'd be like a chorus of baby cry.
Melody, try to cry like a baby.
Yeah. That's pretty good, actually. I lactated a little.
Bruh.
You do it. You do it so well. Do it.
I wanna hear your impression. I'm so curious.
Do it.
Mouse, do it.
The baby noises.
Yeah, do it. It's for Christmas before she has. Yeah, it's my Christmas gift. Oh my god. Oh my god. I saw it.
No!
Oh my god. It's too real. It's like he put up so many towels in like under the door and stuff to just get rid of that baby sound. And you can still hear it.